man.
I can get you
Step into the ether, man. I'm just gonna go on a cosmic trip, though. I'm gonna step into another plane.
Hit me with your nitrous cherry pop.
That's right.
Nitrous cherry,
So we're here with Pedro Hernandez.
Well, let's go with Black Pedro.
We're cleaning your teeth today. You've never done nitrous before.
Never done night. Why are you here?
Pedro does a lot of medicinal, so he'll be fine.
Yeah, I have a strict regimen that I keep myself on daily to keep my mind limber.
Yeah?
Yeah, you always want a limber mind.
Again, you might feel it in your fingers a little bit, in your toes, like a little tingliness.
Little tingle.
Like this.
Yeah, little tingles.
Like right here.
Okay. Some people make someone like tap their feet a little bit, or just get a little shaky. That's fine too. Feel warm. People feel warm and cozy, like you have a blanket on you. That's really normal. Okay.
Yeah.
Look.
All right, I'm starting to feel a little, like a little buzz, body tingle, like just the slightest. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm feeling light, but I think I do a lot of drugs, man. I think my weed tolerance is like. You ain't got shit for me, Doc. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, I'm gonna empty one of your tanks. Okay? Drill, you're not ready for me. I got take this.
I got you cranked up, man.
To be honest, I thought the nitrous was gonna be a way bigger deal. Like we're in that Jack Hair, silver haze.
Have you cranked up on about 70%?
Yeah. See what the 80 is like. Come on, go to 80, baby.
So I gotta ask you. I know you're doing it now. What's your worst case, Doc? What's your worst case where you were cleaning somebody's teeth and went, what the heck is this? I'm serious.
You sure you're ready to handle this?
I'm letting you know.
You might be asking him something you don't want to know the answer to. So I found pubic hair. That's the most disgusting thing.
I didn't even see that.
Wasn't ready for that, Doc.
I told you weren't ready. I said you're not ready for this. Let's see. Fingernails.
What?
Yeah, I found fingernails.
All right. So we have a radio show. Make sure you check us out on. I tried to lift my head. Look at me.
Yeah,
don't do that.
Make sure you check us out on Dash Radio. Marcus King presents Dash Comedy. Savage AF. Every Tuesday, 3 to 5 Pacific Standard Time. We are live.
Right.
Internet radio, guys.
And we have a podcast.
And then we take it out on the road.
Oh, what's your podcast?
Podcast Savage AF.
Savage AF.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's on iTunes, Stitcher, Slacker,
Google Play.
All the places.
all the plays.
All the places.
Every play that you can play.
All the playgrounds
We
for your
play.
years.
Right now we're watching Pedro. Pedro's getting his teeth cleaned. He hasn't gotten it done in 6 years. Probably gonna find a lot of weird fishing. Residual chicken in his mouth. Welcome to Drill. He wanted revenge. One man, he wanted revenge. Drilled. In a world with teeth that are not acceptable. Dr. Brady goes into a world that's unacceptable and cleans it up. Drilled. Breathe through your nose, Mr. Candyman.
This is a lazy boy. I'm in a lazy boy right now. What are you talking about?
You got a lot of teeth, man. You got more of them than the average person. Those wisdom.
Yeah, you're like a shark. You got 2 sets of teeth. Look at Pedro handling it like a boss.
You're doing great.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was gonna be like a Black Panther experience for me, where like I go to the other side,
You're gonna go
my
to
ancestors and shit,
Yeah.
and stuff. But you know, like,
I think your tolerance
I
level.
think my grandfather took the day off. He's
You know why?
Because you're on your own.
He's
man.
on the beach.
You know why? Because you smoke so much weed.
So what did I get up to? 70?
I got 70%.
Yeah,
I don't do that very often.
Oh, yeah.
I would have probably been pulling my pants off.
Glad we didn't go there. Dentists and bartenders are amazed by my tolerance.
That's right. Yeah, man.
All right, guys. So just went on that nitrous ride.
That was a little different, right? It was a
Okay.
little different for you
Yeah, a little
than
bit
it was for Shang.
Yeah.
What
So
the heck?
So whereas Shane kind of handled it like a young schoolgirl. You know, I came with that manliness, right? You know, a little bit more hair on my chest right now. You know what I'm saying? Feel a little bit stronger. Probably gonna go out, maybe fight some wild animals. You know what I mean? Like find a moose, go head to head with that. I feel like I can do that right now. Soar with the eagles, you know what I'm saying? Get up there.
Absolutely.
That's me, right? You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm feeling. Man.
Shane's gonna be giggling too much to help you out.
You know what? I feel now I should have never did this shit in front of you. I couldn't have.
And then Dr. Brady, guys, this is it.
Yeah.
You know what?
We're drilled
We
here.
want to thank Pedro Hernandez.
Yes, Black Pedro in the
Black
house. Yes.
Pedro and Shang Forbes for hanging out with us,
And we were drilled.
getting their teeth cleaned and drilled.
And we're here.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, how much for a tank, Doc?